Hey YouTube, it's Brian with GreyWolf Towers again. Today I have actually two processes that are common items for computer builders to do. The process of putting in a GPU or removing a GPU, which is the same thing except in reverse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate it on this machine here. This is an old Dell Optiplex tower that I'm actually about to sell. So I've got a video card in it, however I'm going to be replacing the video card, so I figured I could show you taking out and putting in the video card, and then I'll replace it with the model I'm going to sell with it later. So all you have to do is first you want to lay it down, then you want to open up the side panel. So now at this point I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to reposition it so that you can see inside the machine, and then I'll start it back up and we can go from there. Alright, so I'm sorry for any screen shake. My son is holding the camera for me so we can get a good angle. So first, a showing of what it is to take it out, and then I'll put it back in and you can all see that. So first, to remove it, we want to disconnect the power connections if there are any. Some will not have a power connection, others will. Then we need to open the back if there is a need for opening it. Some only have screws. This particular one does not use a screw, it uses a clasp. So we're going to use that. And then down here is a release. Some are press buttons, some are switches. This one is more of a switch. We just pull it right out. And that is the card. Now, the reverse of it, putting a card in, would be essentially the same thing. You open the back. So keep it on here. You open the back. You line it up with the PCI Express slot that it's going into. Press down firmly until it's seated. Lock it into place or screw it into place. And then you add the power to it, and then it should power up. Alright, so that is the process of removing and adding a graphics card. Now this is a graphics card that uses a PCI Express or PCIe connection, and this particular one has a single 6-pin connection to it. Now that is the process. That's all there is to it. It's pretty simple and pretty easy. Anybody can do it with a little bit of practice and a little bit of time. So if you have any questions though, please feel free to ask down in the comments. As always, if you enjoyed our video, like the video. If you want to keep up to date on our videos, subscribe to our channel and leave a comment down below with any questions you might have, as well as any questions you might have for myself for the process that you want to have me put into the question and answers video that's coming up, or any other comments that you might have. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, everyone.